Good morning, friends of the channel. Hello. I'm here between Maria and Emma because it's time for the makeover that will end up in your home. Which you'll be able to see where?
On the Discovery Plus platform, streaming, or live on Saturdays on Home and Garden TV, Channel 56.
About the platform, whenever they want, at any time, for free. How can they find our beautiful TV series?
They type the name I Love Restyling in the search bar.
Please, don't write to me that you can't find it. Just go to the search bar and you'll find it. So, this will be a little segment that you'll now do with us. It's a surprise because you didn't know about it. And it will, let's say, decorate a part of your home, which, of course, I can't tell you which part it is. All right, perfect. So, actually, it'll be a very simple restyling, because I'll have you do a bit less painting. But I'll show you how, with just a few simple steps, you can bring pieces like this one back to life, which are almost always thrown away. Actually, it's a small piece. Useful to place at the entrance of the house, or wherever you need it, somewhere to put your keys, a mirror to check yourself in, because it's always good to make sure you don't have parsley in your teeth, and an umbrella holder. Of course, I mean, where else were my umbrellas supposed to end up? In the car. So I'll show you how to modernize it. We won't use much color, but we'll make it look absolutely amazing. Shall we start? I can't wait. Let's start. Let's go. Girls, let's start by removing everything you see on this table. And can you tell me what it is? And where did you get it? I didn't take it from your house. Obviously, it wasn't there. I found it in my attic because it was given to me along with lots of other pieces that were being thrown away. People actually didn't know what to do with it anymore. It wasn't a one-off piece because it was made with other parts that rotated on a very large unit. Let's say it's a bit impractical for today's homes, but I'm convinced that in your home, with the right touch, it'll fit in perfectly. Let's hope so. I trust you, of course. You take off what's down there. You take off what's up here. All right. And I've seen some nails here. I'll take them out. Be very careful. Don't throw anything away, because even nails and screws can still come in handy. So let's put everything into this nice bowl that we'll reuse. I've already taken one nail out from here. Now I'm taking out another one. I'm going to show you something brilliant that you'll actually be able to use loads of times whenever the occasion arises. This is a wonderful brass, and if you notice, it's also nice and thick. It's just a bit stained from age. It's oxidation. It's the air that causes this reaction. With some oil. And a simple bit of steel wool. I'll show you how we can make it nice and shiny again. Look, you will place it here, gently, and it becomes less dull. Like this. Two things. The oil definitely helps indeed polish the surface, thanks also to the steel wool, but above all, it prevents the formation of new oxidation. And so, in the future, it will look much more beautiful. It'll stay much nicer. We don't do this everywhere, except of course for this wooden part that comes off, which will be the umbrella holder, and this part here, which is the shelf for the keys. You also need to do it on the mirror, but be careful when going near the glass with this, because you mustn't scratch the glass. Perfect. So now I'll show you everything, how it all turns out really well, so you're all set, you've properly understood the whole process, and then I'll let you carry on by yourself. In the meantime, Emma has gone to get the paint. Yes. I'm going to show you the wallpaper. Because the wallpaper will be very modern, and it'll make you this, let's say, little side and entryway unit super contemporary. We don't know anything yet. You'll see where it fits best. I'll see, and Georgia will too, because you know it's not just me making the decisions. So, as you can see, it's much smoother, much brighter. Compared to before, when it was really stained by these, let's say, signs of aging and oxidation. So this process needs to be repeated. No, for many years it will be fine. You are safe. Now I'll leave this here for you. Make sure you keep polishing everything properly, but don't do this upper part here, because we'll wash it and only paint this lower iron part. And I'll go ahead and take this little piece of wood off, because it's the umbrella stand. Make sure you don't bother scraping here, since it will be attached. Perfect. So do the whole front part, and it's already enough.
I can see that. Thanks.
Right, Maria, let's wipe the brush properly. Good job flipping it, that way the excess comes off. Make sure you always hold it on the ferrule, that way you won't strain your wrist and you'll get a nice, smooth, clean coat without drips. Do this whole support for umbrellas.
Okay, look how lovely that is. All of it, inside and out. And this part here too, top and bottom. Don't get the underside dirty.
Okay, I'll try.
I'm gonna help Emma.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. I'll start making the glue for the wallpaper, and in the meantime you can tell me what you think. Emma will show it to you.
It's particular but beautiful. It'll be perfect with the gold we polished earlier, those gold details.
I must say, the brass really stands out. And actually, the thing you really need to pay attention to is the fact that it's vinyl. Being a vinyl wallpaper, even when it comes into contact with umbrellas that you were, in fact, putting in the drip tray, it won't get damaged, so it was chosen specifically to be long-lasting. Okay, but you have to trust me because I'm sure it'll be fine.
I started off skeptical, I told you, but honestly, well done.
So Emma, what do you think? Are we ready? It's already cloudy, so it's starting to get nice and sticky. Let's put it here, and in just a few moments we'll start applying the wallpaper. You'll help us, because it's not taken for granted that you know how to put it up. Quite the opposite. Right, I'm going to spread the glue evenly over the whole surface. Emma, you have an important thing to do. Get Maria to help you, of course. Find the holes, because we'll need to screw back in all the fittings we polished. After applying the wallpaper, and it's important not to make new holes, also to avoid damaging the structure too much. So let's put the wallpaper on properly.
And precisely.
And then, using an awl, a nail, or a long screw, we'll locate the holes again. It's important to do the sides as well, so I'll also apply the glue on the sides too, after we've done the panel properly. Okay, here we go. Perfect. Don't worry, Maria, because as soon as the glue dries, it never stains the wallpaper. So, even if you want to put it up in other parts of your house or try applying this wallpaper yourself, it's very easy indeed to use this glue. You can feel calm and relaxed about it. It absolutely doesn't stain either surfaces or the wallpaper itself, so it's a nice process.
But I'm heading over there.
Let's not place it down yet. Go up there. On my side, it's pretty straight. Yes, same here. You can feel it slowly starting to get a bit rough, meaning it's absorbing. Go ahead and use your hands, Maria. Feel it. This is really easy because you're learning how to apply wallpaper on a horizontal surface, whereas usually it's done on a wall. So, in fact, you're learning something that will really come in handy in the future. I'm using this spatula to remove any air bubbles that might be inside. Do you want to try? Shall we let her try? From the middle onwards, so the air bubbles can escape. Okay, I'll watch you and tell if you are doing it right. Take it, but not too much. Don't take all of the glue, or it won't stick anymore. Now we'll also start pressing the paper down well along the sides, and then we'll begin fixing everything in place with the oar.
This is truly amazing. I wouldn't have expected a result like this.
It's true that the dark part, the brass, has a whole different look. Now you can clearly see there are some worn spots. It's normal, it's old, so you'd expect it. Those parts you had previously coloured brown, you always need to protect them. It is a pocket emptier, so we're not going to use any heavy protective coating, just a bit of wax. See, it only takes a moment. I'll have you do it now, since it's already assembled, and even if you apply that wax over the brass, all the better. It helps prevent oxidation, so nothing bad will happen, quite the opposite. And remember, the paper is washable, so no problem there either. Good, look. You also run a bit of paper over the vinyl wallpaper part, and you're all set. So you still need to apply the wax on the tray underneath, and then you're done. So you'll find this beautiful piece at your place already installed, though I won't tell you where yet. It'll be the final surprise like everything else, all right?
Yes, absolutely. Thank you.
Not long now. We'll call her soon.
Yes, yes.
Do you have something to say to this lovely young girl? Something special, because her tastes aren't quite what you'd expect from an average girl her age.
I think we will surprise her.
Go on, finish up, seal it, run the paper over it, and you're good to go. We're off to do another job.
Okay, all right. Thanks a lot.
Bye.
This tutorial is finished too. Simple and quick, because in my opinion it was a piece that really lent itself well to being restored. Because sometimes restyling doesn't have to mean a complete change, it can just be about knowing where to place a bit of paper or polish a bit, right?
Right.
So, are you curious?
Very much. And are you worried?
Well, a little bit. But I still have a lot of trust.
So, I strongly encourage you to watch the whole episode. You'll find it on Channel 56 Home and Garden TV on Saturday mornings, and it's also available for streaming on Discovery Plus. Just search using the search bar typing "I Love Restyling." Always available without time limits and without needing any kind of subscription, because it's completely free. So let's also remind you that you can find Magic Paint products only and exclusively through authorized retailers. On the website www.magicpaint.it, they're listed by region, and also on the only Italian website that resells them, www.elisiahome.com. They're not available on Amazon. What you find on Amazon are imitations. Goodbye.